that values your service. Don't say, did you want to book? Just say, did you want to go ahead and start that on an automatic recurring billing, or did you want to do a credit card, debit card? Just ask me, A or B. Does that make sense to you guys? How many of you guys are asking people if they want to do that, yes or no right now? It's okay. You can put your hand up. It's like therapy. It's like therapy. Hi, my name's Clay. I'm here for the therapy session. Okay, all right? Now, if you're doing that, how many people are really asking A or B questions for the close? How many people are really right now assuming the close? Are you doing that? Okay. How many of you don't have hands that work? Okay, awesome. Let's move on. Next thing here. Okay, close by clarifying the details. Ask, okay? Never ask yes/no questions. Next thing is eat the cow one bite at a time, okay? You're not going to say, do you want a book? Don't ask that. Don't get to the end of your presentation and say, so you want to do credit card or debit card? That'll freak people out. Clarify. What package did you want to go with? Do you want me to bill this to your home address or to your email? And then did you guys want to pay today on a credit card or debit card? You know? Okay? One bite at a time. One bite at a time. Now the action step, script out your 3-part close. Script this out. Commit to doing it. Because again, if you sit here and you don't actually do anything differently, then you will not get a different result. Here are the 3 things, okay? 1, package A or B. 2, when do you want to start? 3, check card or debit card. Okay?
Man Up Entrepreneurship Boot Camps. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business? Have you ever dreamed of taking your business to the next level? Have you ever wondered why some people are so much more successful than others? Are they smarter than you, or do they just know the secrets? Why do some people work all the time to produce very little income, while others work very little and make so much? Are some people just consistently lucky, or do they have a game plan to achieve their goals? Why do some websites come up higher in Google search results than others? Why can some companies sell and others cannot? How could some people make so much money in real estate amidst a recession that finds most people losing money? How do some people build a brand that the public will love? How do some people earn a huge income while still having the time freedom to enjoy the fruits of their efforts? How do some people stay motivated to not settle for mediocrity? The answers to all these questions and more is only one conference away. Man Up Entrepreneur.